Mentor, and today we are here to prepare for unit test with super 30 questions. Now these 30 questions, while choosing these questions for you, I'll tell you something. We made sure that we don't give you too hard questions. We'll give you questions which can come in your exams directly. तुम्हारा तैयारी अभी मैं ओलंपियाड का नहीं करवा रहा हूँ. Today's session is only and only for your board's preparation. So questions will be of that level. We have subjective questions, we have objective questions, but each question has a capability to come in your board examinations. So good evening, welcome. Yes. Am I? Good evening. Hello, Rohit. So everybody, pen and notebook with you. Pen and notebook with you. Second, table chair. Bed पे कोई नहीं पड़ेगा भाई. Nobody, I don't want anybody to be lying on the bed and solving questions, okay? Table chair important. Second, pen and notebook is important. And third is through confidence and attitude. Come on. I'm good. How are you? Hello. Priya, Arush, Ash, Joshi ji. Animals Kingdom. Why? If you are lying on the bed, no, I'll tell you. You will become lazy after some time. So that's why. All right, come on. क्या बोलते हो? चालू करें? देखो 30 questions हैं. Approximate less than 2 hours, but approximate duration is 2 hours. But अच्छे से करेंगे. We'll finish all the questions and you will be active on the chat. You solve and you give the answer. Okay. Let's do it. Come on. Let's begin. On the bed table. Okay, that's fine. But table should be there. चालू करें everybody. Press the like button if you are here and you know what is going to happen. हम लोग तैयारी कैसे करने वाले हैं. And if you're someone new, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Subscribe कर दो और bell icon दबा दो क्योंकि नहीं तुम बहुत कुछ मिस कर जाते हो, right? And अगर विश्वास नहीं है अभी, you stay throughout the session and then you decide yourself, do you want to really come again or it's okay. What do you say? चालू करें. Let's begin. Question number 1. अरे वाह, राधे कृष्ण. Yes. Today's subjective objective miss. Okay. Come on, first question on your screen. I want the answers. Name the type of mirror used in the following situations. Headlights of a car, side rear view mirror of a vehicle, and C is solar furnace. Support your answer with reason. Tell me, first of all, the headlights of a car. What mirror is used in the headlights of a car? Namaste. Convex, concave? It's okay, Kausar bacha. Concave, convex. Achha, everybody listen to me. I know why you have this confusion. I'll ask you two things. Type of mirror used in street light. First question, I'm changing the question. हम थोड़ा बात करते हैं. First question, type of mirror used in street light. Second question, type of mirror used in car. और दोनों same नहीं है. You tell me. Street light is first, second is car. Convex. देखो everybody, the reason I know some of you are getting confused with convex and concave is because see, think about it. Always first of all go with the use case. काम क्या है? मेरे को क्या चाहिए? The car wants to see as far as possible, है ना? Car wants to see as far as possible. So, ideally, the headlights of a car, they would not want to diverge. Headlight ये नहीं चाहती, भाई रोड तो इतना ही है ना. करेक्ट, रोड तो इतना ही है. तो आपको चाहिए रोड पे दूर तक लाइट रहे. आपको ये थोड़ी चाहिए कि रोड के साथ साथ मेरे को हर चीज देखनी है आसपास की. नहीं, that is not the use case of your car का headlight, right? So that's why the headlight of a car has one job. This much area. It should light up as far as possible. So you want rays to go till infinity. And that's exactly what happens in cars. Car के headlight में what happens? We have this concave mirror, right? We have this concave mirror. If you keep the bulb at focus, what will happen? The emerging rays will become parallel and they will go till infinity. Clear? So car का तो फंडा clear है, right? The car is fine. You want rays to go till infinity. I'm using a concave mirror and putting the bulb at the focus. That's okay. Sir, street light में फिर हमको क्यों चाहिए? Why am I using convex mirror in street light? Somebody tell me. Why are we using convex mirror in street light? Why do you think? Yes. Convex is diverging. Science method. Very good. But you tell me the use case. To diverge. Large field of view. To diverge. So it spreads. Very good. भाई स्ट्रीट लाइट का काम क्या है? स्ट्रीट लाइट का काम है टू लाइट अप एज मच ऑफ द स्ट्रीट एज पॉसिबल. अगर ये आपकी सड़क है ना, एंड दिस लेट्स से इज द पोल ऑफ द स्ट्रीट लाइट. ठीक है, सो ये रहा ऐसे ऐसे और ये रहा बल्ब मान लेते हैं. नाउ द जॉब ऑफ अ स्ट्रीट लाइट इज टू लाइट अप मैक्सिमम ऑफ द स्ट्रीट. इट डज नॉट वांट कि मेरे को इतना एरिया बहुत चमकाना है ना, मेरे को ऑप्टिमम रोशनी देनी है ज्यादा एरिया में, राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू वांट? यू वांट लाइट रेज टू स्प्रेड ऑन द स्ट्रीट लाइक दिस. अंडरस्टैंडिंग द यूज केस. कार का काम क्या था? कार को क्या चाहिए था? मेरे को दूर तक साफ दिखना है. स्ट्रीट लाइट को क्या चाहिए? मेरे को ज्यादा एरिया देखना है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को पढ़ाई करनी है स्ट्रीट लाइट नीचे, है ना. आई डोंट वांट टू स्टडी, आई जस्ट वांट नाइस lit up street. So that's why. What do we do over here? There is a convex mirror. If you keep the bulb over here, it will diverge, right? So that's why. Street lights में we use convex mirror and car headlights में we use concave mirror. ठीक है? इसके बाद after today, I don't want any confusion. Is this clear? Tell me yes or no. फटाफट. Clear? Just slightly late but it's okay बच्चा. Is this clear? Come on. कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं होगा. हेडलाइट में सर कॉनकेव क्यों करते हैं, स्ट्रीट लाइट में कॉन्वेक्स क्यों करते हैं? इज दिस क्लियर? यस, है ना? एकदम एकदम पक्का. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो आगे आओ. कम फॉरवर्ड. नेक्स्ट इज साइड रियर व्यू मिरर ऑफ अ व्हीकल. दिस वन इज वेरी इजी ना. द रियर व्यू मिरर इज व्हाट? कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. सर व्हाई? इमेजिन व्हाट इज द यूज केस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थिंक अबाउट इट. हमेशा ना सोचो काम क्या है इस मिरर का. आई वॉन्ट दिस रियर व्यू मिरर to make sure that everything is covered behind me, है ना. ये मिरर ऐसा होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट शुड गिव मी अ वर्चुअल इमेज एंड इरेक्ट इमेज. अगर तुमको गाड़ियां उल्टी दिखेंगी ऐसे ऐसे, तुमको क्या पता है, राइट? सो यू वांट वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट इमेज. सेकंड, यू वांट टू सी मोर ऑफ द एरिया बिहाइंड योर कार. नाउ इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ प्लेन मिरर एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर हैज लार्जर फील्ड ऑफ व्यू. प्लेन मिरर अगर इतना देख सकता है तो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर इतना देख सकता है. प्लेन मिरर विल गिव यू वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड सेम साइज इमेज, बट कॉन्वेक्स मिरर विल गिव यू वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड इमेज, लेकिन इट विल गिव यू a wider field of view, and that is why we use a convex mirror, है ना. Wherever you keep the object, image will be virtual, erect and diminished, but it will cover more area, and that's why we use convex mirror, because it has a larger field of view. ये आपको ज्यादा एरिया दिखाएगा. करेक्ट? क्लियर? हाँ, वेरी गुड. शॉर्ट मिरर रिफ्लेक्ट्स इरेक्ट एंड बिग साइज. यस, यू राइट. गुड इवनिंग. करेक्ट? हाँ, चलो आओ. सोलर फर्नेस, द इजीएस्ट वन. Solar furnace is the easiest one. Yes. Pole in a subjective question. Concave. Very good. Which mirror is a converging mirror? कौन सा मिरर होता है converging? Concave. Solar furnace का काम क्या है? Solar furnace का काम है, the job of a solar furnace mirror is to catch the light rays of the sun and focus them, converge them at one point, ताकि you can maybe cook food, maybe do something, but solar furnace में you have to converge the sun rays at one point to make this point very, very, very hot. You want a converging mirror. You want a concave mirror. Light rays from the sun are coming from infinity because sun is very far, and all these rays need to be converged at a point which is the focus. Now, focus of the concave mirror. So concave mirror is to converge the light. Clear? Easy question एकदम. चलो question number 2 पे आते हैं. First question was easy, but there were a lot of learnings to take forward, right? है ना? Let's look at question number 2. Come on. Understood? What is solar furnace? आदित्य बच्चा, solar furnace मतलब पता क्या होता है? Furnace होता है भट्टी. Solar furnace means using the sun rays to generate high temperatures, है ना? Furnace क्या होता है? भट्टी. तो भट्टी बनाएंगे हम sun rays से. Yes. B. A full-length image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen by using a concave mirror, a convex mirror, a plane mirror, both concave and plane. Everybody is saying B, 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 B. है ना? सब लोग B बोल रहे हैं. Okay, nice, very good. सच बात है. You want to see the image of a big, tall building. मतलब you want more field of view, है ना? तो you want to cover the complete building, you want greater field of view, and who has the largest field of view? Sir, convex mirror. So convex mirror becomes the correct answer. ध्यान से देखो, right? Convex mirror has larger field of view, so that's why it can form the image of the complete building. Maybe it will be forming diminished, that's true. Virtual, erect and diminished, लेकिन complete building की, and that's the same reason we use this as a rear view mirror, है ना? So that's why. Answer is convex mirror. एकदम easy, है ना? माधुरी बच्चा, this is not a Menti quiz. This is on a session and YouTube पे, but I don't have somebody in the studio right now, so I can't give you poll. Let's manage from the chat, but learning will be super. That I can promise you. Come on. Question number 3. आ जाओ. Easy peasy, ना? Yes, Roshni, there are PYQs also. I promise you, there are a lot of PYQs. Come on. Question number 3. Rays from sun converge at a point 15 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. अच्छा, mirror है concave, ठीक है. Where should an object be placed so that size of the image is equal to the size of the object? Come on. I'm getting Sudipta D. We are B. Lucky B. B. अच्छा, ज़्यादातर लोग B बोल रहे हैं. Okay. B. अरे वाह, nice. Double of focal. Nice. See, this question, it's a easy question. Exemplar question number, yeah? Question number 10 of exemplar. Rays from sun converge at a point 15 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Where is sun? Sir, sun is very far. Means sun is at infinity. Okay. Now, rays from the sun are coming from infinity. They are falling on this concave mirror and they are converging at one point. What is this point? This point is the focus, right? This point is the focus, or to be more accurate, I would say it's the principal focus. If all these rays parallel to principal axis are falling on the mirror, getting converged at one particular point, that point is called as principal focus, right? Okay, very good. Now, this focus is at 15 centimeters in front of concave mirror. So, this distance is 15 centimeters. Very good. So, 15 centimeters क्या है? Focal length है, right? F equals 15 centimeters. Very good. And ठीक है, plus minus I'm not talking right now, but ideally it's minus, okay? Where should an object be placed so that size of image is equal to the size of object? Which case is this? When the object is kept at center of curvature. What do we get? Real, inverted, same size image, right? So you have to keep the object at center of curvature. Now, center of curvature and focus, what is the relation? This distance is called as radius of curvature, right? So R equals 2F. This is what we know. So आप 15 को double कर दो. So R equals 2 into 15 is equal to 30 centimeters. So you have to keep the object 30 centimeters in front of the mirror. Clear? And that's why B is the correct answer. Easy question था एकदम, है ना? Yes, numerical का session. आ रहा है बच्चा? Numerical बहुत सारे हैं हमारे पास आज. Don't worry. Very good. R equals 2F. Easy question था एकदम. Everybody, question clear? Any doubt till now? जल्दी बताओ. Yes, एकदम easy. Thumbs up. एकदम बढ़िया. Clear? आगे चलें. Nice. No? Not clear? अरे clear होगा. Easy है ना? This is easy. तुमको F दिया हुआ है with the first statement. The first statement is telling you the focus. That focus or is giving you the focal length. Focal length कितना हो गया? 15. उसके बाद पूछा हुआ है ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ रखें ताकि हमको सेम साइज का इमेज मिल जाए. And this is only one case. And cases we all should remember यार. I'm telling you, don't forget. Cases are very important. हाथ जोड़ के बोल रहा हूँ मैं, एक टेबल बनाओ और चिपका लो दीवार पे. अगर तुमको केसेस भूल जाते हो ना, उसको चिपका लो और रोज उसको 2 मिनट के लिए हाथ जोड़ के देख लेना. Please, it's very important, okay? Yes, come on. Question number 4. Let's see. A 10 millimeter long all pin. All pin वो वाली होती है, छोटी सी पिन होती है, उसके पीछे ऐसे एक गोला लगा होता है. All pin. A 10 millimeter long all pin is placed vertically in front of a concave mirror. A 5 millimeter long image of the all pin is formed at 30 centimeters in front of the mirror. The focal length of the mirror is how much? It's a good question actually. It's a good question. It's not easy. Like, it's not too easy. It's not too difficult. It's a moderate level question. Come on, try it. अरे यार मेंटी होगा बेटा, आप चिंता मत करो एकदम, मेंटी होगा जब हमको एकदम स्पीड में क्वेश्चन करने होंगे. Yes, option B, -20, okay. Sakshi is saying B, science minded saying B. Poll, Vedant, I also would love to give you the poll, but I'm really sorry, no one is there in the studio right now, I'm alone. So I can't manage the poll and this together, so that's why. B, 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 B. Okay, everybody's saying B, huh? Nice. Okay. A 10 millimeter long all pin is placed vertically in front of a concave mirror. Confused? It's a very good thing. If you know that you are confused, means now you have a chance to learn. Means very good. A 5 millimeter long image of the all pin is formed at 30 centimeters in front of the mirror. Okay, all right, fine, I understand. The focal length of this mirror is how much? That is the question. Okay. Yes. All pin, साक्षी बच्चा, all pin is, all pin ना, all pin कुछ ऐसी होती है. This is the pin and all pin में ऊपर ऐसे लगा होता है. I don't know if you might have seen this. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है. Everybody, you cross check your answer and I'll solve it for you. Okay. Just focus now. ध्यान से देखो. First of all, read the question clearly. Question पढ़ो और साथ में रफ वर्क करते चलो. कैसे? A 10 millimeter long all pin is placed vertically in front of a concave mirror. अच्छा, concave mirror है ऐसे ऐसे, उसके सामने a 10 millimeter long all pin. Okay, so यानी कि this is what height of object is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, fine. Now a 5 millimeter long image of the all pin is formed at 30 centimeters in front of the mirror. This 30 centimeters is what? This is V. This is the position of the image, है ना? And where is it? In front of the mirror. So you can say, sir, V equals minus of 30 centimeters. What is this 5? Sir, this 5 is the height of the image, है ना? Height of image, HI will be 5 millimeter. Now you tell me, V is minus 30 because it was in front of the mirror. HI will be plus 5 or minus 5? Yes. वेदांत बिल्कुल, अरे मान लिया, आंसर लिखो लेकिन. Negative. Lucky reaction is saying negative. Minus 5. Minus 5. Very good. Why minus 5? In a concave mirror, if the image is formed in front of the mirror, it is going to be always real and inverted. It could be diminished, it could be magnified, but it is going to be inverted. That तो we all know. क्योंकि erect कब बनती है? जब mirror के अंदर होती है, right? When is the erect image formed? When it is inside the mirror. But here, it is in front of the mirror. Means it is going to be inverted. So HI is minus 5. This is the first step जहाँ पे mistake हो सकती है. This is the first place where you can do a mistake. Okay, if you survive this, means almost you are good to go. ठीक है, fine. You have HO, you have HI, you have V. What do you want? You want focal length. All right, so let's do it here. What is the problem? You have two formulas. Magnification is M equals HI upon HO is equal to minus V upon U. This is formula for mirror, है ना? Yes. And mirror formula is this. Very good. So let's do it by. Yes. First of all, HO is equal to 10 millimeter. HI is equal to minus 5 millimeter. And V is equal to minus of 30 centimeters. Use the magnification formula. Okay. So what do you get? HI, that is minus of 5 upon HO, that is 10, is equal to V. That is minus में ना, minus में minus of 30 upon U. ठीक है, so minus minus is plus, 5 10 is 2, so U is equal to how much? Minus में 60 centimeters. ठीक है भाई, U is coming out minus 60 centimeters. बहुत बढ़िया. So you got the U, you have the V, and use the mirror formula. So 1 upon V, V is, I'll take another color, don't worry. V is this. ठीक है, so 1 upon minus of 30 plus 1 upon minus of 60 is equal to 1 upon F. Solve कर लो. 60 minus में 2 and minus में 1 is equal to 1 upon F. So what do you get? Minus 3 upon 60 is equal to 1 upon F, and if you solve, you will get f equals माइनस में 20 सेंटीमीटर्स. बट होल्ड ऑन, what do I always tell you? मैं तुम्हें क्या बोलता हूँ? Every time you get an answer in light chapter especially, just wait for a second and look at the answer. My focal length is coming out to be negative. This is a concave mirror. Then it's fine. Focal length is supposed to be negative. Okay. F is minus 20, which means U is minus 60 and V is 30. Image is smaller than the object. Everybody, logic, come on. You see, mathematics, all of you have done. Tell me first, any problem in mathematics? Mathematics was simple, na? है ना? ठीक है? Tell me, yes. Mathematics is very simple. Listen to me. The logic is also very important. भाई, आपका f आ गया -20, ठीक है? सही बात है? सोचो, f है -20, right? Your u is माइनस में 60, राइट? अगर f -20 है तो c क्या होगा? -40 होगा. u है -60, v कितना है? -30 सेंटीमीटर्स. इसका मतलब your object is kept beyond center of curvature and your image is being formed between center of curvature and focus, which is right. Image will be real, inverted and diminished. Clear सी बात है, ये होगा finally, right? So that's why. Why do I tell always कि भाई logic जरूरी है? In light, I'm telling you, sign convention का mistake, it's possible. Even the best of the best students know sign conventions you can do a mistake, but if you keep the logic with you ना, it will never let you make a mistake. Cross check your answer यार, हमेशा logic हमेशा लगाओ, ठीक है? Fine, yes. मिलीमीटर सेंटीमीटर नहीं, चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अरे पता है देखो क्यों मैंने चेंज क्यों नहीं किया? यहां पर mm से mm कट जाएगा, यहां पर सेंटीमीटर बचेगा, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई कुछ चेंज नहीं करना, हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो एकदम. क्लियर? यस. हाँ, आ जाओ, कम ऑन. वेदांत पढ़ाई कर लो बेटा, पूजा वूजा घर पे करेंगे बाद में आराम से, है ना? आ जाओ, कम ऑन. यस, वेरी गुड. क्लियर? हेलो, वेरी गुड, नाइस. हाँ, रीचेक करना है भाई. सो दैट्स व्हाई -20 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आंसर maths plus logic. Okay, chalo, come on. Question number 5. This is an easy question, but you should know how to apply Snell's law properly. Question number 5. Figure 10.1 shows a ray of light as it travels from medium A to medium B. Refractive index of medium B relative to medium A is what? Is the question. Yes. Hello Shyam, welcome. Yes. Yes, come on. Sakshi is saying A. Anshika, it's okay, bacha. It happens. Arey, sometimes I also do it. But after you get the answer, एक बार cross check जरूर करना logic के साथ. Science method A. Sorry, science minded A. Adarsh A. Okay. Sonia A. Manju A. Lucky reaction A. Divyanshu A. Geeta C. Niklesh A. A. Divyanshu A. Anjali A. A is correct. Okay, everybody is saying A. ठीक है. Listen to me and tell me truthfully, how many of you face difficulty in Snell's law? How many of you face difficulty in Snell's law? Because I have given you a robust method with which you will never make a mistake. मैं तुमको method दे चुका हूँ already. But tell me, कितने लोगों को पता है वो? Do you know? Do you know that method? Because I have taught this in every class. Whenever I have taken a light class, no, I have taught this. Very good. If you know, means you will never make a mistake. Bhai, you want refractive index of medium B relative to medium A, which means, sir, refractive index of B with respect to A. It means refractive index of B upon refractive index of A. Clear? That is fine. Okay. Now, how to find this? Use Snell's law. Sir, Snell's law, sin I upon... that is okay. For writing purposes, that's fine. But that's not how you solve questions. Solve कैसे करते हैं? Sir, medium B ऊपर है, refractive index NB. Medium A नीचे है, refractive index NA. अब पहले ध्यान दो ऊपर. Refractive index of the medium, that is NB multiplied by sine of एंगल इन दैट मीडियम. अब एंगल कौन सा लेंगे, ये वाला कि ये वाला कि ये वाला कि ये वाला, ये चलो बाकी छोड़ो. विच एंगल विल यू टेक, दिस A और B? सर बोथ आर 45. आई नो इन दिस इट्स नॉट क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम दैट मच, लेकिन वैसे हो जाएगा दिक्कत. Always the angle will be taken from the normal. This is the normal, और angle हमेशा you will take from the normal. दिमाग में रख लो ये बात, ठीक है. So NB multiplied by sine of the angle in that medium, sine 45 into sine of 45 is equal to second medium refractive index NA multiplied by sine of angle in that medium 60, sine of 60. Now you solve. NB upon NA something you have to find, right? So NB upon NA, bring it over here, is equal to sine of 60 upon sine of 45. Sine 60 कितना होता है सर, √3/2. Sine 45 कितना होता है, 1/√2. ये क्या हो जाएगा, this will become √3 into √2 upon 2. अब 2 can be written as 2 is equal to √2 multiplied by √2. So √3 into √2 upon √2 multiplied by √2. कैंसिल कर दो, क्या आ गया सर, √3/√2, and that is the correct answer. Yes, yeah. Oh, very good Divanshu. Clear everybody? And tell me right now, does anybody has any problem in applying Snell's law like this? किसी को कोई दिक्कत है Snell's law लगाने में? Yes, उज्जवल बच्चा मैं समझा रहा हूं. देखो Snell's law क्या होता है ना, लाइट रे कहीं से भी कहीं जाए, यू डोंट मैटर, यहां से इधर जा रही है, इट डजंट मैटर. व्हाट डू यू नीड सर, आई नीड एंगल्स, मेरे को एंगल चाहिए नॉर्मल से. ये है A और ये है B, ठीक है. सो दिस इज मीडियम B, this is medium A. Refractive index of B with respect to A. Let's say somebody asks you refractive index of B with respect to A. It means NBA. It means NB upon NA. Refractive index of A with respect to B is what? NAB. Or refractive index of A with respect to refractive index of B. याद कर लो, जिसका जिसके रेस्पेक्ट में होता है वो बन जाता है न्यूमरेटर. B with respect to A, B will be numerator. A with respect to B, A will be numerator. Okay. Now you apply one equation. What is equation? NB, the refractive index multiplied by sine of the angle in that medium. NB multiplied by sine of B is equal to refractive index of the second medium, that is NA, है ना, is equal to NA multiplied by sine of angle in that medium, sine of A. अब इससे whatever you want to find NB upon NA, you can find. You want to find NA upon NB, you can find. It matters, right? बस ये याद रखो लगाना कैसे, ठीक है. I have used the same thing. Refractive index of B with respect to A means NB upon NA. What I said, NB multiplied by sine 45 is equal to NA multiplied by sine 60. Solve कर दिया, NB upon NA की वैल्यू आ गई √3 upon √2. सिंपल एकदम, है ना. Yes. Anurag, you can do it, but believe me, there is a chance you might make a mistake. Sin I upon sin R में ना, students usually tend to forget कि भाई sin I upon sin R में क्या होता है, this I upon R. Light ray is going in this manner. So you have to take this into account कि अच्छा ठीक है, light is going SA and it is going SA, तो ठीक है, this is I, this is R. So there are chances that you can make mistake in writing sin I upon sin R. That's the reason I'm telling you, go with that method, okay? You will never make a mistake. गलती करना भी चाहोगे तब भी नहीं होगी. So that's why, okay? Clear? Sin I upon sin R लगा सकते हो और आंसर आ जाएगा आपका √3 upon √2. Clear एकदम? Yes. Clear? Refraction class study guide, बच्चा, it's there now on the channel. You can watch it afterwards also. Sign convention, don't worry, we'll do it. Yes, very good. चलो, question number 6. Question number 6 on your screen. Under which of the following conditions a concave mirror can form an image larger than the actual object? Easy question है यार बहुत. In which of the following conditions a concave mirror can form an image larger than the actual object? First, when the object is kept at a distance equal to its radius of curvature. Second, when an object is kept at a distance less than its focal length. C, when an object is placed between focus and center of curvature. D, when an object is kept a distance greater than radius of curvature. क्या लगता है? B, 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 B and C, B, 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 B. Okay, everybody is saying B. I am getting few B and C in between. Trigonometry is important. At least sine values, cos values, tan values, don't forget. That's important. B, 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 B. Okay. ध्यान से पढ़ना. See, everybody is saying B. But look at this. It's a subjective question. It's not like MCQ. Only one option could be correct. ध्यान से देखो. Question बोल रहा है image should be larger than the object. Image should be larger. Can be real, can be virtual, doesn't matter. It should be larger. Now you think, concave mirror mein, you can also get real inverted magnified when? If you keep the object between center of curvature and focus, right? Image will be beyond center of curvature, will be real inverted magnified. If you keep the object between pole and focus, you will get virtual erect and magnified. So you are getting two cases. Think about it. And that's why your first option is this. Equal distance matlab C pe hai. Second option is actually this, virtual erect magnified wala. Third option is actually this, when object is between C and F. And last option is this, when an object is kept at greater distance, matlab object is beyond C, it will be real, inverted and diminished. So question ne pucha hai magnified chahiye mere ko. I want image should be larger than object. So B and C, simple ekdam, right? So B and C are the correct answers. Clear hai? Easy question tha, hai na? Good. Yes, both B and C will be the correct answer. Ekdam badhiya, easy, nice. Come forward. Question number 7. Come on. Question number 7. Let's see. Now, very good. Both B and C. किसी को दिक्कत नहीं है ना भाई? एकदम आसान question था, but अच्छा question था. Confuse करने वाला था हो सकता है. This is the previous year question. Somebody was asking me, do we have previous year question? This is the previous year question. Come on. Consider the following properties of virtual images. A, cannot be projected on the screen. B, are formed by both concave and convex mirrors. C, are always erect. D, are always inverted. The correct properties are, now you have 4 options. Yes, come on. C. Everybody is saying C, huh? Ooh. Okay. Everybody is saying C. Alright. देखो, सुनो. Properties of virtual images. Virtual image कहाँ मिलती है तुमको? Where do you get virtual images? Just think about it. Sir, I get virtual image in a plane mirror. I get virtual image in concave mirror also. That is virtual erect and magnified. I get virtual in convex mirror also. It is virtual erect and diminished. So virtual I can get from all the 3 mirrors. है ना? सही बात है. Now, virtual images cannot be projected on the screen. That's so true, yaar. We know that virtual images, they cannot be obtained on a screen. That is why they are called as virtual. Virtual means which is not exactly present, right? Alright. They are formed by both concave and convex mirror. You are true. Concave mirror can form virtual erect and magnified image when the object is between pole and focus. Convex mirror will always form virtual erect and diminished image, right? So that's why it can be formed by both concave and convex mirror. So ये B भी ठीक है भाई, A भी ठीक है. C, are always erect. Virtual image, plane mirror में सोचो, sir plane mirror में my image is erect. हाँ, erect है. Concave mirror में virtual erect and हाँ यार उसमें भी erect है. Convex mirror में virtual erect. अच्छा, so virtual image is always erect. Ooh, nice. They are always erect. Are always inverted. क्या आप बात कर रहे हो जी? Right? So that's why. Difference between real and virtual image. This is one more question which can be asked. ये भी आ सकता है. But ये question तो हो गया. But real versus virtual में this is what happens. Real में क्या होता है? Light rays actually meet करती हैं. Virtual में they don't meet. Right? You have to trace them back to make them meet behind the mirror. Real is always inverted. Virtual is always erect. Real can be obtained on the screen and virtual cannot be obtained on the screen because it is not real. Virtual है भाई, छलावा है तो, है ना? So that's why option C is the correct answer. Yes, बिल्कुल. Junior World, don't worry. Notes I'll send you today only. Session के बाद ना I'll take everything and send it to you. Relax. Why always virtual inverted, not virtual inverted? हाँ, रोशनी virtual inverted बच्चा ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. मतलब नेचर में हमको नहीं मिलता ऐसा. So that's a if you draw any of the diagrams, virtual will always end up being erect. Yes. Can magnified be inverted? हाँ, अजय तो बिल्कुल. Real magnified inverted. Concave mirror में होता है ना? Real inverted magnified between ऑब्जेक्ट रखोगे सी और एफ के बीच में तो मिल जाएगा आपको, है ना. व्हाट इज इरेक्ट? रिद्धि, इरेक्ट मतलब बच्चा इमेज सीधा है. इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग, यू आर द ऑब्जेक्ट, योर इमेज इज ऑल्सो लाइक यू, मीन्स सर ऊपर पैर नीचे, योर इमेज की ऑल्सो सर ऊपर पैर नीचे, है ना. इरेक्ट इज सीधा, ऑब्जेक्ट इमेज, नॉट दिस. ठीक है. सो इरेक्ट मतलब होता है ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इमेज. क्लियर? यस, कम ऑन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. हेलो अखिला. रे डायग्राम Manaswini, I draw ray diagram for you in the class. Did you miss that class? It's there. If you ask me in the comment section, I'll reply back to you with the link of the session. And don't worry. Come on, question number 8 यार. Numerical लग रहा है ये तो. A ray of light starting from air passes through medium A of refractive index इतना 1.5. ठीक है. Enters medium B of refractive index 1.33 and finally enters medium C of refractive index 2.42. Previous year question है बच्चों ये. This is a PYQ. If this ray emerges out in air from C, then for which of the following pairs of media the bending of light is least? Bending of light is least पूछा है. I'm getting a lot of C's in the chat. Vedant is saying B, C, 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 B. Okay, we are getting a lot of C's. Some are B's. It's C. Okay. अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक है. Listen to me. Somebody is saying D. अच्छा एक बात बताओ. How do you judge if bending will be more or bending will be less? Just answer this. How do you judge कि between interface of two media the bending will be more or less? Sir, away from normal towards normal doesn't matter. Bending कहाँ ज़्यादा कम होगा? You tell me. Very good. Ratio. Nice. Ratio is the answer. अरे मेरे नाम से एक चैनल है. अच्छा ओ. Yes, very good है ना. The ratio of the refractive index, if it is more, means the bending will be more. है ना. And I think there's a nice experiment short we have done on the channel for this. हाँ. अब ठीक है. अब ध्यान से देखो. N air is 1, medium 1 refractive index is 1.5, NB is 1.33, NC is 2.42, and this is 1. So that's okay. From air, if you go to 1.5, means you are going from rarer to denser, it will bend towards normal. ठीक है. From 1.5 to 1.33, you are going from denser to rarer, it will bend away from normal. Okay. From 1.33 to 2.42, you are bending towards normal. Why? You are going the denser medium. And then finally you are coming out 2.42 से you are coming out in 1. अब ratio कर लो जरा. I'm telling just do ratio. Doesn't matter sir this upon this या this upon, just do ratio. Think about it. इसका ratio कितना आएगा sir? 1.5 upon 1. इसका कितना आएगा? Always keep the bigger refractive index on top. इसका कितना आएगा सर? 1.5 upon 1.33. इसका कितना आएगा सर? 2.42 upon 1.33. इसका कितना आएगा? 2.42 upon 1. Now you tell me, if this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, which one is least? Come on, Seema. A, B, C, D. Which of these four ratios is least? Yes. Why always bigger on top? Pasha मेरे भाई, I'm telling you why always bigger on top is because you want to find ratio ना. अगर you are getting some values more than 1, some values less than 1, then it's very difficult to compare. That's why just for the sake of comparison, I'm always saying keep the bigger on top. है ना? B, right? So this means B में least bending होगी. And where will the bending be most? Maximum bending कहाँ होगा? सर यहाँ. क्यों? इसका आंसर है 2.42. इसका आंसर आएगा कितना? कितना आएगा इसका? 2.42 upon 1.13 13 26 ना. लगभग it will be about 1 point something 8 आएगा कुछ. 13 दूनी 26 होता है ना. हाँ ठीक है. This will be about this will be about 1.2 something and this will be 1.5 and this will be 2.42. हाँ तो this is the least आ गया. ठीक है. Clear एकदम. है ना? Yes, learned something new. Very good. Nice. I'm happy. So This is how you have to do these questions. Where is the bending maximum? Where the ratio is maximum. Where is the bending minimum? Where the ratio is minimum. So B has least. That is the question asked. Agar question पूछता where the bending will be maximum, you would have given the answer as this from 2.42 to air. है ना? ठीक है? Fine. So that's why A to B is the correct answer. Clear हो गया? Yes. Yeah, I'll explain again. Don't worry. Listen to me. Dekho. I'll tell you how to do these questions. First of all, find the ratio. And while finding ratio, my suggestion to you is you keep consistency. Means always between the two mediums, keep the bigger refractive index on top. What did I do? 1 to 1.5 ratio will become 1.5 by 1. 1.5 to 1.33 ratio will become 1.5 by 1.33. 1.33 to 2.42 ratio will become 2.42 by 1.33, and 2.42 to 1 ratio will become 2.42 by 1. Now you have to make a judgment which ratio is smaller, because the concept says if the ratio between the two mediums is less, the bending will be less. If the ratio between two medium is more, the bending will be more. Right? Clear? Yes? Attitude king? अरे तुम बाहर निकल जाओ यार. Yes? हाँ, very good. Clear एकदम? Everybody? Option B. एकदम clear? बढ़िया. Yes. Any doubt? Anyone? Yeah. I think it can be. But you know what? If I rush, no, everybody might not understand. So don't worry. I'll gain speed. Yes. Easy question, but asked twistedly. Socho, this was a previous year question. 2022 1 mark question. Come on. Question number 9. Everybody. For the diagram shown, according to the new sign convention, the magnification of the बहुत easy है. Come on, everybody. 2022 1 mark question. It's a very easy question. Yes, no doubt. Very good. Thank you, Deepti. Nice. Thank you. Everything clear ना? बहुत बढ़िया. देखो आज के question बहुत ध्यान से करना. I'm telling you, every question is like board level question यार. If you are able to do these questions, a light chapter, तुमको कोई हिला नहीं पाएगा. Everybody saying B. I'm getting C also. Lucky is saying C. Then B. Confused? कोई बात नहीं. I love when somebody says confused. Now I feel like I'm relevant यार. मेरे को समझाना पड़ेगा. कुछ अच्छा लगेगा. So it's okay है ना? ठीक है. If you feel like you are confused, मेरे को नहीं आ रहा, बट बोल दो एकदम. मेरे को भी अच्छा लगता है उसके बाद. चलो, go on. Question number 9. For the diagram shown, according to the new Cartesian sign convention, magnification of the image will be what? पहला तो सोचो ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे है. सर ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट between pole and focus. Now my logic says कि if the object is between pole and focus, image will be virtual, erect and magnified. If the image is virtual and erect, the sign of magnification becomes positive. Magnification क्या होता है? सोचो. What is magnification? Magnification is height of image upon height of object. अब अगर image और object का sign same होगा, what am I saying? If height of image and height of object both are positive, then only m will be positive, right? है ना? If object is above principal axis and image is below principal axis, so hi becomes negative. So m becomes negative. So इसका मतलब यही होता है. Positive का मतलब virtual erect, negative का मतलब real inverted. More than 1 का मतलब magnified, less than 1 का मतलब diminished. Easy एकदम है ना? So that's why you will get virtual, erect and magnified. इसका मतलब magnification will be plus and more than 1. Right? More than 1. So sign will be positive, value will be more than 1. Easy एकदम है ना? Yes. कृष्णा बच्चा अगर छोटा होगा तो कर देंगे, नहीं तो you tell me in the comment section, मैं reply कर दूंगा. Don't worry. Yes. Don't worry. What is more than 1? Refractive index, or sorry, magnification will be more than 1. Yes. Hello Soumya. गलती हो गई, कोई बात नहीं यार, गलती होगी तो कृति होगी बच्चा, don't worry. We'll have more questions. Come on, question number 10 on your screen. 11th kinematics is confusing. See, 11th looks confusing in the starting. It's okay. You hang in there, but don't give hope. Just keep practicing. You will get it. Thank you. Pure attitude. Yes, come on. Question number 10. List 4 characteristics of the image formed by a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeters when the object is placed in front of it at a distance of 10 centimeters from the optical center. अरे रे 2019 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, 2 marks question of 2019. Come on. Anshika, electricity, human eye. I have to teach you a few more topics after the electricity. Tutul, you are saying appear to form between P and F. Okay, real inverted Rohit, real, virtual, direct, diminished. Thank you, Seema. V and E, Akifa, inverted, real, Tanmoy. Okay. I'm doing it. Please cross check with you, huh? Sorry, please cross check your answer. List 4 characteristics of the image. ठीक है. पहले तो बताओ convex lens है. I am telling you in light numericals have a habit. I'm telling you in numericals in physics in general. Have a habit to keep doing rough work. हाथ चलते रहना चाहिए. You are reading question and your hand should keep moving. 4 convex lens है क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, convex lens है. Focal length है 20. Okay, ठीक है भैया, 20 और 20 हो गया, ठीक है. And the object is placed. अच्छा object जो है रखा हुआ है. Okay, object है 10 पे. अच्छा, object is between optical center and focus. मतलब image will be sir virtual, erect and magnified. है ना? सच बात है. Image will be virtual, erect and magnified. क्लियर हो गया. और दूसरी चीज ऑन द सेम साइड. क्या होता है ऑन द सेम साइड? यही तो होता था, ऐसे इसको ऐसे करते थे. सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट डू वी गेट? वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड मैग्निफाइड ऑन द सेम साइड. वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, मैग्निफाइड ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द लेंस. इजी था. और सोचो बैठे बिठाए 2 marks you will get. Board is not difficult, believe me. Board questions are actually easy. It's just you have to know why am I showing this answer to you. मैं तुम्हें आंसर क्यों दिखा रहा हूं? Everything is written. I'm teaching the same thing. I'm showing this answer because you should know how to write a proper answer. Board में ना, I'm telling you this happens. Many students, they have the knowledge, they get the answer, but they don't know how to present their answer. It's also an art. कला है ये, आना चाहिए. ठीक है. बोर्ड में इसी के नंबर मिल जाते हैं कई बार. नॉलेज बहुतों को होती है, सब दिखा नहीं पाते. ठीक है. That's why. Fine. Oh, Anmol, it's okay, bacha, not a problem. Clear? Everybody, learn how to present a good answer. That's also a very important thing. You should find the value. Oh yeah, find the value is good, but how do you present it? It's not like you just did something in a subjective question. You have to give the proper steps also, right? है ना? Very good. चलो, question number 11. Previous year question, 2018 2 marks question. You are doing so many previous year questions. Think about it, yaar. Think about it. You are in the month of July and you are doing previous year questions. How good is that, right? Chalo, question number 11. If the image formed by a spherical mirror for all positions of the object placed in front of it is always erect and diminished, what type of mirror is it? Draw. Kar loge? Yes. Thank you, Akifa. Kar loge? है ना? Convex mirror है. और ray diagram बना दोगे? Everybody, I made a proper ray diagram using pencil, protractor, compass in front of you, है ना? If you have missed that session, you ask me in the comment section, I'll give you the link, है ना? But please, ray diagram आना चाहिए भाई, जरूरी है. Yes, बहुत बढ़िया. That's my मेरे शेरो शेरनियो, नहीं sorry, बच्चों कुच्चों, बहुत बढ़िया. Hello Riddhi, welcome. Everybody, whoever is new, if you are liking the class, press the like button. And if you believe you want to learn more, subscribe and press the bell icon. And very important. Chalo, come on. So it's a very easy question here. Which mirror forms always virtual, erect and diminished image? Sir, convex mirror. कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है इसमें तो, है ना? And convex mirror is what mirror? It's a peace-loving mirror. Convex mirror बोलता है, I will not trouble you. I will always form virtual, erect, diminished. तुम कुछ भी कर लो, right? Only 2 diagrams. Object at infinity, images at focus inside the mirror, right? And any other location wherever you keep the object, images inside the mirror between pole and focus. Simple सी बात है. ये 2 diagram सारे बनाने हैं. एकदम easy diagram है ना? Go ahead, practice forming the ray diagrams. It's very important, ठीक है? Because in board examinations it is asked. Normally एक diagram आ जाता है, ठीक है? Please practice करना सबको. Always produce virtual, erect and diminished image. आसान एकदम. तो भैया, what will you say? A convex mirror always produces virtual, erect and diminished image of the object irrespective of the object's position. Yes? Yeah. PDF I'll send you. Again, don't worry, bacha. रे डायग्राम्स और ओनली फॉर द क्वेश्चन? जिसना फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन 2 डायग्राम्स है ना, draw revealed ray diagram to support your answer because for convex mirror you have 2 cases, so that's why 2 diagrams were there. Okay, next question. चलो question number 12, come on. 2019 है भाई, 2 marks again, previous year question. कितने question करोगे previous year वाले? Come on. The absolute refractive index of ruby is 1.7. absolute का मतलब find the speed of light in ruby and speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8. अरे absolute का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of absolute? मैं याद नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को. What is the meaning of absolute refractive index? कोई बताएगा? दोनों भी बनाना है. साक्षी हाँ, उस क्वेश्चन में दोनों बनाना है. अरे यार मैं सीपू गिरा दूंगा, पता है मेरा बार बार पैर टकरा रहा है इससे. Yes. रूबी, अरे रूबी वो नहीं होता, क्या बोलते हैं उनको? जेमस्टोन. अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, नाइस. भजिया, ऑल द बेस्ट. हाँ, विद एयर. एब्सोल्यूट मतलब विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर, राइट? सर रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स मतलब विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सम मीडियम, आई डोंट नो व्हाट मीडियम, बट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर का नाम है एब्सोल्यूट. ठीक है, अब कर दो क्वेश्चन, इजी वाला है. यस, वेरी गुड, नाइस. 1.76 सुदीप्ता इज सेइंग. 1.8 is Lucky's answer respect to vacuum. और very good, you are right. 1.76 रोहित का आंसर है, साक्षी का है. साक्षी रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कैसे लगता है? कोई बात नहीं बेटा, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स में तो क्वेश्चन मैंने बहुत सारे कराए हैं और आज भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स से ना. एक आप अब बस हर क्वेश्चन करते जाओ, सब हो जाएगा. 9/17. ठीक है, अरे सुनो एवरीबॉडी लिसन टू मी. एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स होता है n is equal to c upon v, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम और एयर अपॉन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन द मीडियम. अब वैक्यूम में तो है 3 into 10 to the power of 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है, so is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second upon v, and this is equal to 1.7. so v is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 upon 1.7. अब इसको सॉल्व कर लो एक बार, कितना आएगा? देखो 1.5 होता तो 2 आता, 1.7 है, ये 1.9 1.8 के आसपास आना चाहिए. सॉरी हाँ, देखो 1.76 आ गया, राइट? n equals c by v. write the formula first, then give the values, then put the values and find the answer, and 2 marks, nobody will dare to take it from you, right? है ना, easy एकदम, clear, बढ़िया क्वेश्चन, मतलब आसान क्वेश्चन, सॉरी. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. 2019 2 marks question again. 2 marks question again. हार्ड दे दो, मजा आएगा. लकी यार आज एक काम करते हैं ना, देखो आज टुडे यू परफेक्ट द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, है ना. इसके बाद आई प्रॉमिस यू, दिस इज नॉट द लेवल आई विल कीप यू ऑलवेज, बट आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट दिस लेवल इज सॉलिड. इसके ऊपर तुमको मैं चढ़ा दूंगा, टू रिलैक्स. अरे अभी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन करेंगे, लेकिन आज मेरा मोटिव है कि बोर्ड तुमको लगना चाहिए, बोर्ड तो लड्डू है, इसके ऊपर तुमको मैं चढ़वा दूंगा, रिलैक्स एकदम. ठीक है, यस. हाउ? ओह सॉरी. Study the following ray diagram and list 2 mistakes committed by the student while tracing it. अच्छा, कोई okay. Rectify these mistakes by drawing the correct ray diagram to show the real position and size of the image corresponding to the position of the object AB. All right. Image should be beyond 2f. Beyond 2f. Image should be beyond 2f. Okay. 2 mistakes बतानी है भाई. You have to tell 2 mistakes. Look at this diagram carefully. So you are telling me one mistake is, sir, image should be beyond 2f. One more, any other mistake? Mistake, same size image. Okay. Same size image, all right. Magnified, enlarged. हाँ, Sudipta has got it. Yes. Rudra will do it. Yes. F1 is more towards the right, है ना? ऐसे ही लग रहा. If you notice, यार F2 is this much and F1 is this much. Ooh. F1 is more, is farther than F2. And if you think about it, the distance between F2 and 2F2 is this much, but distance between 2F1 and F1 is this much. ये चल क्या रहा है? What is this? This is wrong. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, right? So first mistake is, what is the first mistake? Think about it. First mistake is that this distance should be equal to this distance, should be equal to this distance, and should be equal to this distance. Okay, at least in a biconvex lens this is what needs to be done. Clear एकदम, है ना? हमारा f1 जितना दूर होगा ना उतनी दूर f2 भी होगा. Clear? Right? So that's why. ठीक है, fine. This is the first mistake. The distance between optical center and the respective focals. ठीक है, fine. Second mistake क्या था? Second mistake was the image, because object was kept between f1 and 2f1, है ना? If object is kept between f1 and 2f1, image should be beyond 2f2. So that is the second mistake, right? So what are the two mistakes you will say? Two mistakes will be O to f1 and O to 2f1 are not equal to OF2 and O to 2f2 respectively. Now this answer becomes important because in this particular question in the board examinations, a lot of students did not know how to tell this problem. This mistake, how to tell it exactly to the examiner, हमको पता नहीं था. So that's why I'm saying OF1 and O2F1, these distances were not equal to O2F2, O2F2. ठीक है, fine. Image position and size were wrong. When object is placed between f1 and 2f1, enlarged image will be found beyond 2f2, and that is the correct diagram. Clear हो गया एकदम? Yes. Formula for the speed of light, c upon v is equal to n. Crystal clear? पहला पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट पता है क्यों है? हमको लिखना आना चाहिए वो. ठीक है, क्लियर? बफरिंग हो रही है क्या? नहीं यार, this is fine. I also have it open. It's okay. Yes. Right? संध्या, बच्चा देखो. Look at this. Problem पता है क्या है? The distance between OF1 and OF2 is not same. Distance between O and 2F2 and O and 2F1 is not same. है ना? तो हम बोलेंगे भाई ये जो distance है it should be equal. Right now it is not. Second thing is object is between 2F1 and 2F1 and F1. My logic says image should be real, inverted and magnified beyond 2F2. But यहाँ पर तो 2F2 और F2 के बीच में बना दिए तो गलत है. So that's why these are the two mistakes and that's what I have shown you over here. है ना? Easy? Come on. Question number 14 पे आ जाओ भाई. Question number 14. State the laws of refraction of light. Explain the term absolute refractive index of a medium and write an expression to relate it with the speed of light in vacuum. 2018. 3 marks question. Think about it. It's very easy here. है ना? State the laws of refraction of light. लिख लोगे? Yes or no? Tell me. Come on. मेंटी लाइट पे लेंगे आज नहीं है लेकिन लाइट टारगेट कितने कर रखे तुमने? आई डोंट नो. यस 107 है भाई. ठीक है 150 तो करी दो कम से कम. स्नेल्स लॉ, वेरी गुड. यस यस है ना. लॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन कौन से होते हैं? 2 होते थे. एक तो था स्नेल्स लॉ, सेकंड वाज इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्रैक्टेड रे, normal lie in the same plane, है ना? Right? And explain the absolute refractive index of a medium. ये क्या होता है? Absolute refractive index, sir, refractive index of a medium with respect to air or vacuum, that is called as absolute refractive index, है ना? And write an expression to relate to the speed of light in vacuum. अरे रे, n equals c upon v. कितना easy question है ना? हद easy नहीं है question. मतलब free के 3 नंबर मिल रहे हैं. सोचो. First law, the normal, the incident ray and the refracted ray, they are in the same plane. That is one statement of. Second is Snell's law, sin I upon sin R equals to n, है ना? The easy. So laws of reflection क्या है? The incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal of the two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for the light of a given color and given pair of media. एक चीज ध्यान रखना. Yes. Good at GK? Not really. Yes, come on. Light of a everybody focus. Serious note पे. This statement is important. What is constant for the light of a given color and given pair of media? ठीक है? So I'm writing this or I'm marking it in a different color. This is a very important statement. I have seen students missing this particular statement. क्यों? अगर आप लाइट का कलर चेंज कर दोगे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स चेंज हो जाएगा. राइट? डू यू रिमेंबर? Red light bends the least because it has the least refractive index. Violet light bends the most because it has the highest refractive index. So you have to keep the color of light same and you have to keep the two pair of medium also same. ठीक है? Yes. Why color? Just now I just explained. It depends on color of light. Red bends less because it has less refractive index. Violet bends more because it has more refractive index. है ना? Yes. Then next is absolute refractive index of a medium. It is the ratio of velocity of light in vacuum to the velocity of light in the medium. N equals C by V. Easy एकदम, है ना? ये question BYQ है, बिल्कुल साक्षी ये BYQ है बच्चा. You have got 2 marks and 1 mark. So basically 3 marks for this question. एकदम easy नहीं था question. It was a very easy question. Wavelength, Roshni, you can say wavelength. If you don't want to use color, you can say for the particular wavelength. Yes. Oh, nice, toxic ninja. Very good. Sir, this video is this is live right now. Abhi you cannot change the speed. Later you can. Okay, come on. Question number 15. Our halfway mark. 1 घंटे में 15 question. ठीक है. अभी और speed पकड़ते हैं. Come on. Question number 15 भाई. A child is standing in front of a magic mirror. Okay. She finds the image of her head bigger. अच्छा, सर की image मिल रही है बड़ी. The middle portion of the body is of the same size, and the legs are smaller. Explain the construction of the mirror using different types of mirror. Also state the reason in support of your answer. अच्छा, सर बड़ा दिख रहा है, body okay दिख रही है, legs छोटे दिख रहे हैं. But did you notice all of these images are inside the mirror? Yes, convex, plane, concave, concave, plane, convex, concave, plane, convex. Very good. First thing to notice is it's okay. Whatever is the size of image is fine, but all the images are inside the mirror, na? है ना? All the images are virtual. So basically, in first case, in the head wala case, she is getting virtual, erect and magnified because she can see, she or a child, she or he, है ना? She can see her head as big. It is virtual, erect and magnified. Who can do this? Sir, concave mirror. Concave mirror can do this. Middle portion, she is seeing virtual, erect and same size. Virtual, erect and same size. Who can do this? Concave, convex, plane. कौन कर सकता है? Sir, plane mirror. है ना? Plane mirror. Legs are smaller. They are virtual, erect and diminished. Who can do this? Concave, plane, convex can do this. Right? Convex mirror. So that's why concave, plane and convex. Easy था. Right? Correct? सारी की मैथ्स के लिए we have खुशबू मैम and अश्मा में यार किसी बात कर रहा हूँ. तुम मेरे को डांट पड़ोगे. Yes, come on. How to write the answer? ऐसे नहीं है आंसर को लिख दिया ऐसे ही. Listen. How to write the answer? The magic mirror has a concave mirror at the top, plane at the middle and convex at the bottom. Why? Because question ने क्या बोला है? Also state the reasons in support of your answer. So you have to explain why do you think so. First, head of the child appears bigger and hence the mirror at the top must be a concave mirror. Very good. A concave mirror is producing an enlarged and erect image here. Right? Okay. The middle portion of the body is of the same size and hence the middle part of the mirror must be plane, which produces erect image of same size. The bottom part is smaller image. Image is erect and smaller means produced by a convex mirror. A convex mirror always produces erect and diminished image. So, what did I tell you? Boards में number केवल knowledge के नहीं मिलते. In boards, you don't get the marks only to know the answer. You get the marks, can you explain your answer? Think about it. It was a so simple question. Question was very simple. क्या है? Concave, plane, convex. But you have to give reasons. आपको समझाना पड़ेगा क्यों? That is the art. That's why I tell you. Everybody listen to me very carefully. तुम जब तैयारी करोगे ना, in this 1 year, have a habit of, usually what we do, NCERT के question करते हैं हम लोग, फटाफट ऐसे आंसर आ गया, बैक से चेक किया, अरे सेम आंसर, अरे वाह हो गया. Have a habit to properly solve step by step. इससे हैबिट पड़ेगा और एग्जाम में तुम फांकी नहीं मारोगे. इसीलिए ट्राई करो और ऐसी हैबिट में डालो. ठीक है? Yes? हाँ. What happens if bottom image is bigger? It is a concave mirror again. Concave, plane, concave हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? अनमोल बच्चा, practice. You have so much time. Believe me, जुलाई हुआ है, तुम्हारा तो फरवरी के बाद होगा बोर्ड, है ना? बहुत टाइम है आपके पास. प्रैक्टिस करो, हो जाएगा सब. टेंशन नहीं है. चलो, question number 16. Come. Question number 16. Define the principal focus of a concave mirror. It is desired to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeters. Okay. What should be the range of object distance in the above case? ये पहला क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। और दूसरा क्या बोल रहा है, व्हाई डू वी प्रिफर अ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर एज अ रियर व्यू मिरर इन व्हीकल्स। अरे रे इजी क्वेश्चन है। तो कंस्ट्रक्शन आरोही बच्चा, आई हैव डन अ सेशन ऑन द कंस्ट्रक्शन। अच्छा होमवर्क है जिसना, सेशन विल एंड बिफोर 9 PM, दैट आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू। Infinite beam of light, Rahul is saying, Aditya is saying 0 to 11 distance between P to F. Manas is laughing. Okay, all right. Principal focus क्या होता है? Rear view, okay. Infinity, okay. Okay, Meeta is given the answer. देखो, everybody. हाँ, I have told this to you before also. For principal focus, there is important word, एक important word है principal focus के लिए, you have to mention the incident light rays are parallel to principal axis, क्योंकि principal focus और focus में difference है, and this is the homework because I have explained this many times. After the session ends, you can tell me in the comment section difference between principal focus and focus, but today I am telling you principal focus. मैंने बहुत समझाया ये पहले भी है ना। principal focus क्या होता है? When light rays which are parallel to principal axis, they fall on the mirror, on a concave mirror, all of them are converged at a point. That point is called as the principal focus because it is lying on the principal axis. ठीक है, fine. It is desired to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 12. What should be the range? अब focal length 12 है, the range should be between 0 and 12. Object कहाँ होना चाहिए? Where should the object be? Between pole and focus. So don't say 12, don't say 0, between 0 and 12. Okay, fine. And why do we prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror? Because a convex mirror has virtual, erect and diminished image. That is good. But second, a wider field of view. It can give you a vision of the larger area. ज़्यादा देख पाओगे तुम. That is why. ठीक है? Fine. So principal focus is the point at which the light rays parallel to principal axis converge on its principal focus after reflection. अब कहाँ होना चाहिए? Concave mirror produces virtual erect image when the object is placed in principal. Hence the range of object is from 0 to 12. Is from 0 to 12 on the principal axis. ठीक है, ये जरूरी है भाई। Convex mirror क्यों यूज करते हैं? It produces virtual erect image, provides wider field of view. Easy question था। Yes, है ना? Why plane mirror has focal length infinity? Because think about it, na? If parallel rays fall on a plane mirror, everybody, can you answer this question? I think it's a good question. A final shot. Why plane mirror has focal length infinity? What is focus? Where parallel rays should go and then meet. In a plane mirror, parallel rays would go and they would come back parallelly. And where do we say parallel rays meet? Infinity. That is why. Very good. Because parallel rays meet at infinity. Very good, Bhumit. है ना? Yes. 90 degrees. बहुत बढ़िया. Clear हो गया? Question number 17 पे आओ फटाफट. Question number 17. 5 नंबर का है भाई. 5 marks question. 2020. Light का question है. Come on. Let's do it. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the size of the image. Draw a ray diagram. देखो न्यूमेरिकल है और इजी है, कर लो फटाफट. रोशनी, same size and virtual image. Same size and virtual image. In that question, all the 3 images were virtual, है ना? Head was bigger, body was same size and legs were smaller, but all the images were inside the mirror. So all of them were virtual. Concave cannot give you virtual and same size. It's okay, Jishna. Don't worry. See it afterwards. It's okay. Homework करो आप. 2 into principal होगा. Yes. 2 into principal focal. 2 into focal length equals center curvature. Yes, you are right, Vedant. On the same question, you lost the mark. अरे कोई बात नहीं. Let's do it now. Got it? Find the V. Second, find high and draw the diagram. ठीक है. Okay. Yes. Answer. Hello, Prem. At focus, Manju is saying minus 37.5 is the first answer coming. Bhumit is saying minus 16 by 15. Aditya, minus 37.5. Sumit, at focus 37. ठीक है. I think answers are coming. Let me also do it and you cross check. ठीक है. Fine. भाई सुनो. Object 4 सेंटीमीटर इन साइज. अच्छा, यानी कि HO is equal to 4 centimeters. बहुत बढ़िया. Is placed 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. So U equals minus में 25 centimeters. Of focal length 15 centimeters. F is equal to 15 centimeters. Plus or minus. Focal length is 15. Plus or minus. कभी कंफ्यूजन हो जाए. If you feel confused. कॉनकेव मिरर ऐसे ऐसे. ओ फोकस तो लेफ्ट में होता है. ओ माइनस आएगा. Focal length will be minus, है ना. Don't do this mistake. These are silly mistakes. They happen all the time. I'm telling you. ठीक है, fine. F equals minus 15. बहुत बढ़िया. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to find the sharp image? मतलब सर V पूछा है, U दे दिया, F दे दिया, V पूछ लिया. क्या ये इसमें? Come on. 1 upon F equals 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. मिरर फॉर्मूला लगाना है. So 1 upon of minus of 15 is equal to 1 upon V कितना है पता नहीं, plus 1 upon U कितना है माइनस में 25. तो इसको उधर ले जाओ. ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 25 माइनस में 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon V. 25 15 15 15 25. एलसीएम क्या रहेगा इसका? 125 भी नहीं आएगा. 150 150 होता है 4 5 6 6 माइनस में 10 is equal to 1 upon V. तो this will be V will come out to be माइनस में 4 upon this will be 150 माइनस में अपॉन 4, है ना. सॉल्व करें अगर इसको क्या आएगा? 4 4 4 माइनस 3 30 12 30 माइनस 37. V equals minus 37.5 centimeters. Hold on. लॉजिक चेक. अच्छा सर फोकल लेंथ था 15, U था 25. मतलब U ऑब्जेक्ट वाज केप्ट बिटवीन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकस. अच्छा, यानी कि इमेज शुड बी बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड yes it will be magnified, it will be real. So V is coming out minus 37.5. center of curvature will be 30. हाँ सही है. माइनस मतलब इन फ्रंट. हाँ सब ठीक है, मेरा आंसर ठीक है ना. बढ़िया एकदम. फीलिंग गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. That's how you will solve it. Very good, not a problem. You got 2 marks. Find the size of the image. अरे use magnification formula. M equals minus में V upon U is equal to minus में V कितना था? How much was the V? And put it using sign convention. V came out to be minus में 37.5 upon U कितना है? The U is 25. Minus में 25, right? So M is equal to minus में आएगा, right? M is equal to minus 6. Now सॉरी क्या निकालना है? साइज ऑफ द इमेज ना. और तुमको HO दिया हुआ है. तो HO कितना है भाई? HO हाइट ऑफ इमेज पता नहीं, बट HO कितना है? HO इज 4. सो जस्ट सॉल्व इट. 37.5 into 10 25 25 1 125 15. तो कितना आ रहा है? और ये आ जाएगा जी 1.5 into 4 यानी कि 6. हाँ HI इज इक्वल टू माइनस में 6 सेंटीमीटर. एक बार और लॉजिक चेक. सर माई हाइट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी नेगेटिव, मतलब इट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी बिलो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. क्या सही है? Yes, your object was between C and F. Image should be beyond center of curvature, real, inverted and magnified. Object था 4, image आ रही है 6, negative भी आ रहा है. Answer ठीक है मेरा. I know my answer is correct, right? And yes, that's how you will solve it, है ना? Correct. Why sin I upon sin R is constant? अनमोल प्रॉपर्टी लॉ है ना. लॉ क्या होता है? आप एक चीज को बार बार देखो और बोलो कि ऐसा मैं देख रहा हूं, ये ऐसा एक लॉ है. टुमारो इफ यू प्रूव इट रॉन्ग, ठीक है? यस नहीं मंजू, शार्प हमेशा सोचो. थिंक अबाउट इट. इफ यू कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट बिटवीन C and F, how will you get the image at focus? You will get a sharp image depending on the position of the object. You get sharp image at focus when the object is at infinity, not any everywhere else. ठीक है ना? Yes, come on. रे डायग्राम बना दो इसका. कुछ नहीं है. ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन C and F, इमेज इज बियॉन्ड C. हो जाएगा. चलो भाई ये भी हो जाएगा. एक नंबर मिल जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. यस, एक्सप्लेन वंस मोर. आसान था नहीं तो इसमें क्या था भाई? HO दिया हुआ है, U दिया हुआ है, F दिया हुआ है. फाइंड V. If you found V, then you use the formula of M and then you will get the answer of HI also, है ना? कुछ नहीं है इसमें. चलो आ जाओ क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 बेटो. बच्चों आ जाओ. कम. RVA gaming bacha, this will end before 9, don't worry. A candle is placed at 3 by 2 f in front of a concave mirror of focal length f. Draw the ray diagram and write any two properties of the image formed by the mirror. Candle रखी है हमने कहाँ पे? Concave mirror of focal length f. Draw the ray diagram. ठीक है, that तो you will draw. You tell me this two properties. Come on. अरे वाह, nice Mishti. Virtual. Anmol is saying virtual, huh? Vedant is saying virtual, erect, enlarged. Erect, enlarged. Real, inverted, magnified. So Deepta is saying. Okay, listen. Bhai, again, whenever you read a question of light, your hand should keep their, your hand should be busy. Your hand should keep doing their job. Candle is placed here, concave mirror है क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, concave mirror और focal length है उसकी f, ठीक है. 3 by 2 f मतलब होता है 1.5 f is equal to u. ओहो, f 1.5, तो f ये है, c ये है. So object is actually kept between f and c. Draw the ray diagram and write two properties. How are you saying virtual? Object is kept between center of curvature and focus. Image will be beyond center of curvature. Will be real, inverted and magnified. क्या ये इसमें है ना? Yes. My class today will be before 9 बस. But we meet regularly. Don't worry. This channel पे if you come regularly, you will see that everything is being covered, and yeah, you will realize that you love this channel. So be regular. How will you be regular? Subscribe करो यार, है ना? Come on. That's how between C and F, real, inverted, magnified. एकदम आसान आएगा. Ray diagram बना लोगे. Image formed with real, inverted and enlarged. Easy question है ना? How to find the position of object? Very good, Ishita. Good question, because that is the whole point of the question. Candle is placed at 3 by 2 f. What is 3 by 2? Sir, 1.5. 1.5 का मतलब क्या है? 1.5 f is more than f and less than 2f. ये f क्या है? Focus. ये 2f क्या है? Center of curvature. That's how I came to know that object is between C and F. यहाँ से clear है ना? हाँ, कोई यूज नहीं है फोकस का. How at C? C. नहीं, beyond C, beyond C. Okay, clear everybody? हाँ, yes, very good. This one is clear. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. अरे वाह, nice. लकी बच्चा, listen to me ना. कैंडल को कहां रखा है हमने? सर 1.5 f पे. ठीक, कॉनकेव मिरर है और उसका फोकल लेंथ है f. थिंक अबाउट इट ना. सर फोकल लेंथ f है, ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है 1.5 f पे. इसका मतलब द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन फोकस एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. एंड नाउ दिस इज अ ट्विस्टेड वे ऑफ सेइंग, बच्चों, ड्रॉ रे डायग्राम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट बिटवीन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकस. दिस इज द स्ट्रेट अवे मेथड. दिस इज अ ट्विस्टेड मेथड. बोल तो वही रहा है क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन क्या चाहता है? क्वेश्चन चाहता है कि तुम बना दो ये वाला रे डायग्राम जहां पे ऑब्जेक्ट होता है यहाँ बिटवीन सी एंड एफ. बट क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली नहीं बोल रहा. क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट बिटवीन 1.5 एफ. सोचो, सिंपल क्वेश्चन नहीं है. यस, गॉट इट. यस, कम ऑन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. वी हैव 12 मोर क्वेश्चन. दिस इज 12th क्वेश्चन. कम ऑन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. कंप्लीट द पाथ ऑफ द लाइट रे द फॉलोइंग इमेजेस. अरे रे, इजी है ये. कर लोगे ना एवरीबॉडी? Tell me the first one. The first wala ray will do what? You thought 2 by 3. Oh, it's okay. Hello, Aryan. Come on. First wala, it will be parallel. Very good. Why? Because it is passing through focus. Focus से जाएगा तो parallel हो जाएगा भाई. It's a convex lens. Second wala will be. It's a easy one, no? Second wala will be. It will diverge, but if you trace it back, it will pass through F. Easy. कितना बढ़िया और आसान क्वेश्चन था ये, है ना? ऐसे क्वेश्चन आने चाहिए. इजी क्वेश्चन एकदम. कम ऑन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. यस, फोकस के पास करेगा. बहुत बढ़िया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. चलो आ जाओ. When a concave mirror is placed facing the sun, the sun's rays converge to a point 10 centimeter from the mirror. Now, if you place a 2 centimeter long candle flame 20 centimeters away from the mirror on the principal axis, where would you place a screen to obtain the image of the candle? कभी वो देखा है, दूर से देखा तो हाथी उछल रहे थे, पास जाके देखा तो क्या, कुछ नहीं थे, वो चीटी बीटी थी, मतलब राइट। आई जो दूसरे थे वो अंडे उबल रहे थे, गंजे उछल रहे थे, वो था शायद पहले वाला। अरे क्वेश्चन को देखो, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है। द क्वेश्चन जस्ट लुक्स स्कैरी, द वर्डिंग्स लुक्स ओह सो मेनी इंफॉर्मेशन, बट यू नो व्हाट, इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन यार। यस, हाँ साइज इक्वल, वेरी गुड, हाँ नाइस, वेरी गुड नाइस। ध्यान से देखो ना, क्वेश्चन पता क्या है, क्वेश्चन इज जस्ट यूजिंग ट्विस्टेड वर्ड्स टू कंफ्यूज यू। इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, यू रीड द क्वेश्चन। When a concave mirror is placed facing the sun, okay, where is the sun? Sir, infinity. The sun's rays converge to a point 10 centimeter from the mirror. What is this 10? F is equal to minus 10 centimeters. है ना, focal length ही तो है ये। Now if you place a 2 centimeter long candle 20 centimeters away from the mirror, अच्छा sir, F is minus 10, C will be minus में 20. You are keeping the candle flame at 20 centimeters from the mirror. Achha, so you are keeping the candle flame at center of curvature, right? Where would you place a screen? I would place the screen at center of curvature. Image will be real, inverted, same size, है ना? What size क्या होगा? Same होगा. Draw ray diagram बना लोगे, बिल्कुल कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें, right? First में focal length आ गया, दूसरा वाला center of curvature था. So how will you write the answer? Rays from the sun converge at the focus. So F equals minus 10. Object distance U equals minus 20 is equal to 2F. As the object is placed at C, its real image of the same size will be formed at C. Hence the image is minus 20. Height of image is equal to height of object is equal to minus 2. Minus मत भूलना, क्यों? Height of image will be inverted, है ना? And this is the ray diagram. Easy question था एकदम? Yes. Thank you. Yes. इजी था एकदम, है ना, कोई दिक्कत थोड़ी है इस क्वेश्चन में। तो सच एन इजी क्वेश्चन। वेदांत बच्चा, पैराबोलिक मिरर में क्या होता है ना, मिरर एक स्फीयर की जगह एक पैराबोला की शेप में होता है। अब उसमें मैं और नहीं घुसूंगा, अभी कभी और अच्छे से बात करेंगे, मिलेंगे तो, लेकिन अभी उसमें और नहीं घुसूंगा बिकॉज अदर्स विल बी कंफ्यूज्ड। यस, मस्त। चलो क्वेश्चन 21, आखिरी 10 क्वेश्चन है आज के। यस, कम ऑन, थैंक यू आकांक्षा, कम ऑन, मस्त। क्वेश्चन 21 पे आओ भाई। A spherical mirror produces an erect image of magnification plus 1/3. Okay. When the object of height 12 centimeter is kept at a distance of 50 centimeters in front of the mirror, identify the type of mirror, identify the focal length of the mirror, find or draw the ray diagram and find the height of the image. पहले ये बताओ मिरर कौन सा है ये? Concave mirror, साक्षी सिंह concave. Vedant is convex, Khushi is convex, Roshni convex, Rohit is convex. Look at the magnification. ध्यान से देखो सर, मैग्निफिकेशन क्या है? +1/3. सर मैग्निफिकेशन इज +1/3. 1/3 का मतलब सर लेस देन 1. 1/3 का मतलब क्या होता है? 1/3 इज 0.333. अच्छा ठीक है. सो इमेज इज डिमिनिश्ड एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लस? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. ओहो, it is some spherical mirror which is giving you virtual, erect and diminished image. Sir, why diminished? Because it is 1/3. Who can give you virtual, erect and diminished image? Convex mirror. And that's why the answer is convex mirror. Identify the type of mirror. कौन सा है? Convex. है ना? दिमाग ऐसे घूमना चाहिए भाई, ठीक है? When the object of height 12 centimeter is kept at a distance of 50. Height of object कितना है? Sir 12 centimeters. U कितना है? सर U इज इक्वल टू माइनस में 50 सेंटीमीटर्स. कैलकुलेट द फोकल लेंथ. अच्छा, अब यू टेल मी, यू हैव हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, यू हैव U एंड यू हैव M. M इज इक्वल टू +1/3. व्हाट इज M इज इक्वल टू माइनस में V अपॉन U. इन द केस ऑफ मिरर्स, मैग्निफिकेशन इज व्हाट? M इज इक्वल टू HI अपॉन HO इज इक्वल टू माइनस में V अपॉन U. सो M इज इक्वल टू कितना? सर 1/3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस में V अपॉन U कितना है? माइनस में 50. सो V इज इक्वल टू 50/3, राइट? है ना? I saw somebody saying something. F equals 25. ठीक है. सो V आ गया 50/3. फाइन. अब क्या करना है? सॉल्व तो करना है इसको, है ना? V कितना आया? 50/3. ओके. U कितना था? माइनस में 50 सेंटीमीटर्स. Alright, so 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equals 1 upon F. 1 upon V करोगे क्या आएगा? 3 by 50 plus 1 upon में minus of 50 is equal to 1 upon F. LCM हो गया 50. 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by F. F आ गया 25 centimeters. Hold on, logic. यार मेरा फोकल लेंथ आ रहा है पॉजिटिव, मिरर है कॉन्वेक्स, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का फोकस होता है राइट में, तो पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए ना. ठीक है, फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव मतलब ठीक है, फाइन, यस. तो मीनाक्षी बच्चा, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज द मैग्निफिकेशन इज +1/3. Plus means virtual erect, 1/3 means less than 1 means diminished. So this mirror is giving you virtual erect and diminished image. It means it is a convex mirror. Fine. Now, object of height is 12. This is height of object. Okay. Distance of object is 50. That is u. U will be minus 50. Right. So using this relation, m equals hi upon ho is equal to minus v upon u. You can find v. Why? Because you have to find the focal length. To find focal length, what do you need? Sir, I need u, I need v. Height of object is extra, correct? At least abhi tak to, for focal length you don't need height of object, right? So use the formula, find the value of v. V came out positive, which was okay. Why? Because in convex mirror, image is to the right, v positive आना चाहिए था, है ना? Then you use the value of all of them and put the formula and you will get f equals 25 centimeters. Easy एकदम, ठीक है? Draw the ray diagram, बना लोगे? रे डायग्राम बना लोगे इसमें. एंड फॉर दिस यू डोंट नीड टू लेट मी आस्क यू हाउ मेनी डायग्राम विल यू मेक. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, है ना? विल यू ड्रॉ 1 और विल यू ड्रॉ 2? टेल मी दैट. यस, you will draw 1 or you will draw 2? Akifai saying 1, Sita saying 1, I got 1. हैप्पी प्रिंस. अच्छा बच्चा, क्वेश्चन तो इजी है. एक बनाओगे, दो बनाओगे? एक बहुत है. क्यों सर? वाई? ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट एट 50. द फर्स्ट डायग्राम ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर इज व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इंफिनिटी, बट you have to draw the diagram regarding this case ना. So you have to draw only one diagram. यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है. f equals +25, everybody can do it, है ना? फाइन. Diagram will be only one. Don't draw two. Time waste नहीं करना. Fine. And then the question is find the height of the image. अब एक बात बताओ. You just tell me something. If you have got f as 25, right? M is +1/3. M is equal to +1/3 is equal to hi upon ho. Ho कितना है? It is 12. So hi is equal to 4. Clear? Hi is 4. Easy question, है ना? क्लियर हो गया? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. डिफाइन द गिवन टर्म्स रिलेटेड टू स्फेरिकल मिरर्स. पोल क्या होता है? पोल, इट इज द ज्योग्राफिकल सेंटर ऑफ द मिरर. तुम्हारा जो मिरर है ना, उसका जो सेंटर है वो है पोल, राइट? यस. हाइट माइनस नहीं. हाइट माइनस क्यों नहीं होगी? वर्चुअल इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड है. अगर हाइट ऑफ इमेज माइनस आ गया मतलब इन्वर्टेड होता है, लेकिन माइनस तो नहीं आना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए. यस. हाँ, ये वाला क्वेश्चन सही में फालतू है, बात सही बोल रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट ऑफेंडेड. ये क्वेश्चन सही में बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. पोल की डेफिनेशन, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर की डेफिनेशन, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस की, प्रिंसिपल फोकस की. इजी है यार, तुम लोग कर लोगे. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस क्या होता है? इट्स अ इमेजिनरी लाइन विच इज जॉइनिंग सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड पोल. ठीक है. पोल क्या होता है? पोल इज द ज्योमेट्रिकल सेंटर. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर क्या होता है? इट इज द सेंटर ऑफ द स्फीयर फ्रॉम विच द मिरर हैज बीन टेकन आउट, राइट? प्रिंसिपल फोकस क्या होता है? इसकी डेफिनेशन करी थी हमने. Line rays parallel to principal axis will fall on the mirror and they will meet or either appear to meet at a point, that is point called as principal focus. ठीक है? Fine. The middle point of reflecting surface is pole. Center of curvature की definition लिख दो, principal axis की definition लिख दो, और principal focus की भी definition लिख दो भाई. एकदम easy है. Fine. कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. We have done this enough. एकदम easy है. Aperture, हाँ, lucky aperture is the diameter of the your mirror or lens. ठीक है? That is called as aperture. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. कम. यस. द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ डायमंड इज 2.417. व्हाट डज दिस स्टेटमेंट मीन? इतना इजी क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डज दिस स्टेटमेंट मीन? See, all of these are previous year board questions, so you can judge what is the level of board questions. Believe me, they are easy. तुमको लगेगा यार सर हम तो वैसे ही डर रहे थे. So today my job is to make sure that the fear of board questions is gone, because after this, इसके बाद हम जब भी लाइट के क्वेश्चन करेंगे हम तगड़े क्वेश्चन करेंगे. ठीक है? Fine. Yes, very good. It is the absolute refractive index with respect to the air. Correct? B. The relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is 9/10. If the speed of light in glass is known to be इतना, calculate the speed of light in the following: water and vacuum. हाँ जी, you tell me the B. संजय, voice कम आ रहा है क्या? Everybody, is the voice fine? Is it low? Is it not audible? Tell me, come on, because I think I'm getting one comment कि आवाज कम है, आवाज कम है. Yes, fine, low है क्या? है? अच्छा, चलो ठीक है, रुक जाओ. हाँ जी, अब ठीक है. वॉइस इज फाइन है. हाँ ठीक है, प्रॉपर है ना. चलो बढ़िया. अरे माइक खींच लिया मैंने, तुम आओ. कम ऑन, चलो. नॉट रियली. अपर्चर वैसे इट्स नॉट देयर इन सीबीएसई, तो इट वोंट कम, डोंट वरी. यस खुशी, डोंट वरी बच्चा, विल फिनिश इट. नो देखो 23 पे आ गए हम लोग. 30 क्वेश्चन है सारे, फटाफट करते हैं, आ जाओ. यस, साक्षी सेइंग 308. ओके, वैक्यूम इज इतना. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. वैक्यूम में तो सोचना नहीं था, इट वाज इजी. टेल मी वाटर. ओके ओके, लकी, आई टेक केयर, पक्का. नेक्स्ट इसका बताओ, वाटर का. टेल मी अबाउट वाटर. 2.5. हाँ, अरे वाह, वेरी गुड संजय. One water is 1.77 ना. Akansha is saying 3. That is vacuum. अच्छा सुनो, everybody listen to me. I mean, you keep answering and watch me if you are having confusion. ठीक है? Relative refractive index of glass with respect to water, यानी कि Ng upon Nw is equal to 9/8. Refractive index and velocity are inversely proportional. Sir, how do you know? Because N is equal to C upon V. C तो constant है, right? So I can say N is inversely proportional to V. So this is equal to velocity in water upon velocity in glass. सही बात है ना? बस इतना ही लगाना है. N21 is equal to N2/N1 is equal to V1 by V2. भाई और क्या चाहिए तुमको, है ना? So Ng upon Nw is equal to 9/8 is equal to velocity in water upon velocity in glass. Velocity in glass is 2. Is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 8. So 9/8 into 2 into 10 to the power of 8. 2 4. ये कितना आ रहा है जी? 4 into 2 8. 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second is the answer. Fine. Easy एकदम. And all this, I told you, no, बच्चा, this is the law. You do experiments and you will find this every time. So that's when you said, यार ये तो law है ना? हाँ. Yes. Easy, very good, है ना? चलो, come on. Question number 24. Question number 24. Consider the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angle of incidence. I think Anmol, this is what you were asking. Consider the path of a light ray passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angles of incidence. Okay. Which one is greater at the first interface of the glass slab? Angle of incidence or angle of refraction? यार question तो बहुत easy है, but it's a nice question because glass slab पे normally diagram के अलावा कुछ पूछा नहीं जाता. But this is asking, is it trying to ask something else? Which one is bigger? Angle of incidence. क्यों? Because the light ray is going from air to glass. Air में क्या होगा? It will be more. Light is bending towards normal. तो यानी कि I ज़्यादा होगा, है ना? सच बात है. What happens to the emergent angle on increasing the incident angle at the air glass? बताओ, second बताओ. If you increase angle of incidence, angle of emergence will be what? Yes. What happens to emergent angle if you increase angle of incidence? It also increases. Why? Because it remains equal. I is equal to E. Glass slab में तो ये आएगा ही आएगा. Because we have formed ray diagram, है ना? State the conditions for no bending. If there is no glass or if the light ray is normal. बस easy एकदम, है ना? Easy. बढ़िया. ये रहा. पहले इंटरफेस पे I बड़ा होगा, दूसरे पे अगर आप I बड़ा करोगे and I is equal to E, It's very easy. Mathematically I have proved this in the class. I is equal to E आएगा, है ना? और अगर आप नॉर्मल करते हो तो नो बेंडिंग, नो रिफ्रैक्शन, तो इजी हो गया. पहले वाले का आंसर हो गया, दूसरे वाले का आंसर हो गया, थर्ड वाले का द लाइट रे विल नॉट बेंड इफ I is equal to 0. Also there will not be bending when it travels through the media of same refractive index. यानी कि अगर ग्लास ही ना हो, केवल एयर हो, राइट? ठीक है, हाँ, वेरी गुड. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. 25 number. A student has to project a 3 times magnified image of a candle flame on a wall. It's a numerical, huh? No, it's not a numerical. No, it's a numerical. Name the type of the lens. Converging, diverging, required for the purpose. If the candle flame is at a distance of 6 meters from the wall, find the focal length of the lens. Yes. Yes. Type of lens. Converging. Very good. Kahe? Kyun? You have to project the image of candle flame on a wall. Means what image do you want? You want a real image. Which lens can give you a real image? Convex lens, converging lens, right? So converging is the correct answer. If the candle flame is at a distance of 6 meters from the wall, find the focal length of the lens. Yes. Anmol is saying 9. Manya, that's possible. Depends on the medium. Yes, it's a good question actually. You ask me in the comment section, I'll reply back. Converging, very easy question, huh? Nice. And Anjuman is saying -2. See, question is easy, but I'm just afraid. Arey Arjun, welcome. I'm just afraid you might not make the mistake. एक mistake होने के chance हैं इसमें. और तुमको पता है क्या? Umit is saying no. Ishita is saying -9, Kuchi -2. Acha suno, everybody listen to me. I'm solving it, you just focus. I'll tell you what is the biggest point where you can make a mistake. A student has to project a 3 times magnified image. So M is equal to 3, right? है ना? M is equal to 3, correct? And if the candle flame is at a distance of itna from the final, U is equal to -6 meters, right? Tell me, is everything okay? Till now, any confusion, any doubt in these two things? Very good, Ishita. Arey, M is negative. Sir, why? Think about it, na? You are only saying, sir, lens is convex, hai na? Lens is converging. You are only saying image is real. Why? Because it is on the wall. Any image which is real in the case of convex lens will also be inverted, na? If the image is inverted, means M will be negative, -3. This is the biggest mistake that can happen in this question. M will be -3. Clear? M होगा -3. U कितना है? -6. क्या चाहिए? What do you want? Focal length. अरे solve कर दो, क्या ही है इसमें? अब U is equal to -6. M is equal to -3. M is equal to V upon U is equal to, so -3 is equal to V upon minus में 6. So 6 3s are 18. 18 is equal to V. 18 centimeters. Hold on. Logic check. Sir, V is coming out to be positive. Means V is coming out to be to the right. That is fine. No. Real image in the convex lens comes out on the right. So V should be positive. And that is coming positive. मेरा आंसर ठीक है भाई. My answer is fine. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. Let's see. आगे चलते हैं. I have got V. I have got U. I have to use lens formula. Simple, है ना? I have to use lens formula. So V is 18 centimeters. U is equal to -6 centimeters. Use the lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals 1 upon F. So 1 upon 18 minus में 1 upon -6 is equal to 1 upon F. LCM is 18. 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by F. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 upon 18. So F equals 18 by 4. यानी कि 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5 centimeters. आ गया आंसर? गड़बड़ आ गया आंसर मेरा? Oh, wait. Wait, I have done a mistake. I have done a mistake in this question and I'm really happy that I did this mistake. Very good. How do you get nice. No. Good. There go. Everybody listen to me. If the read this question. I'll tell you, this was one more place where the mistake could have happened and I did the same mistake. If the candle flame is at a distance of 6 meters from the wall, the flame is 6 meters from the wall. So this distance is 6 meters, right? U is not 6 meters, and that's the one more mistake which can happen. ये from the wall पढ़ना भूल गया, right? दिमाग से from the wall, this thing you slipped, and at least I slipped, right? So that's why this is one more mistake that can happen. Clear, है ना? Yes. End gaming, yeah. Thank you. We have done mistake, huh? Yes, we have done mistake. You're right. Correct. So what is V? What is V? V कितना हो जाएगा? Think about it. This 6 is U. V will be, yes, this is going to be U, है ना? This is going to be V, right? Right? So what will you say? What will you say? Think about it. देखो, total distance is 6, right? 6 में से if you decrease V, this should be U, and U is to the left, it should be negative. Getting my point? Everybody focus. देखो, सुनो. This total distance is 6, this much is V, and this green is U. 6 minus V is U, but it is to the left, so it will be negative. Clear? Right? है ना? Correct. So it will be this. Now if you do it like this, by U is equal to minus में 6 minus V. Now use the formula. M कितना आया था आपका? M is minus 3 ना? So minus 3 is equal to V upon U. V upon minus में 6 minus of V. So it's coming out to be 6 3 is 18 minus of 3V is equal to V. 18 is equal to 4V. V is equal to 18 by 4. V आया है 18 by 4, that is 4.5 meters. Right? V is equal to 4.5 meters. Alright. Fine. So we have got V. V is 4.5 meters. U is minus 6 minus V is equal to 1.5 meters. Simple. और उसके बाद you have to apply the formula and you will get the answer as plus 1.125 meters. Yes, easy but silly mistake, है ना? Correct. How many questions left? We have 5 questions left. Bas. Come on. Question clear हुआ? It was a good question. Believe me. I loved this question here. I like it. Nice. Question 25. Is the question clear? Yes. है ना? It was a very simple question. But the mistake was magnification should be minus 3. Why? Because it's a real image. And in convex lens, real image is only formed when the image is going to be inverted. है ना? Right? So M is going to be minus 3. That's fine. That's okay. Now second is the candle flame is 6 meters from the wall. So this distance is 6 meters. This is V and this is U. Right? So 6 minus V is going to be U. That's true. But U should be negative ना, क्योंकि U is to the left. So 6 minus V तो U होना चाहिए, लेकिन sign convention के हिसाब से ये minus में आना चाहिए. And that is second mistake which can happen. And if you are saved from these two mistakes, बाकी question बहुत easy है. Yes, correct, है ना? चलो आगे आ जाओ. बस इतना ही है, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं है. इसके बाद question बहुत आसान है. Solve कर दो उसके बाद. ठीक है? You have got V, you have got U, apply lens formula and get the correct answer. Very good. चलो आगे आओ. Question number 26. Let's see. Question 26. 25 was a beautiful question. I love that question. Question 26. What is meant by power of a lens? क्या होता है power? Nice. Yes. Avya, I'm your friend. Yeah, don't worry. Come on. What is meant by power of a lens? It is the ability of a lens to converge or diverge. Very good, है ना? Yes. It is the ability to converge or diverge. Right? you have three lenses L1, L2 and L3 of powers +10, +5 and -10. State the nature and focal length of combination of these lenses. Yes. Yes. हाँ, माने एक बच्चा, listen to me, last question में ना, listen to that part again. Last question में it was candle was 6 meters from the wall. बीच में क्या है? लेंस. वॉल और लेंस के बीच में है V और लेंस और कैंडल के बीच में है U. So basically U plus V is equal to 6, है ना? नंबर वाइज तो करेक्ट. यस. हाँ. यस. हाँ, वेरी गुड. ठीक है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में ना U प्लस, अगर आप नंबर वाइज बोलो तो U प्लस V इज इक्वल टू 6. U कितना हो जाएगा सर? 6 माइनस V. लेकिन U है लेफ्ट साइड में, तो उसको आप साइन कन्वेंशन जब लगाओगे ना तो माइनस आ जाएगा. बस यू हैव V, M इज इक्वल टू -3. सॉल्व करो, V की वैल्यू आ जाएगी और उसके बाद आपको कुछ नहीं करना, U की आ जाएगी, है ना? अरे हो जाएगा, रिलैक्स करो यार. नेचर एंड फोकल लेंथ कॉम्बिनेशन. कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होता है? P1 प्लस P2 प्लस P3 इज इक्वल टू कॉम्बिनेशन, है ना? So, यानी कि +10 +5 -10 गया. So P of combination is equal to +5. फोकल लेंथ कितना होगा? F equals 1/P is equal to 1/5 is equal to 0.2 meters, यानी कि 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters positive. That's the correct answer. Easy, है ना? You have done it. एकदम easy था ना? Very good. चलो आगे आओ. 27. The image of a candle flame. Exemplar question है भाई. Image of a candle flame formed by a lens is obtained on a screen placed on other side of the lens. Okay. If the image is 3 times the size of the flame and the distance between lens and image is 80, at what distance should the candle be placed from the lens? हाँ, question तो easy है. हाँ सात्विक, डेरिवेशन हट गए. एस्पिरेंट क्या हो गया? कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. एस्पिरेंट मेरे दोस्त, बेसिक्स जो हमने अब तक सेशन किए हैं ना, आपका अगर एक भी मिस हुआ है सेशन, प्लीज अब दोबारा देखो, सारे सेशन देखो, क्योंकि बेसिक क्वेश्चन तो हम पहले से करते आ रहे हैं, राइट? वो सब देखोगे, कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, फिर ये क्वेश्चन दोबारा करना. यस यस, लेस देन 80, वेरी इजी. हाँ, मैं क्या करूं? कुछ भी? अरे नहीं यार संजय, कैसी बात कर रहे हो? सॉल्व करो एकदम बढ़िया, हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. You have a doubt? रोशनी, डोंट वरी, यू कैन आस्क द डाउट. समझ नहीं आ रहा? आई अंडरस्टैंड, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हो गए ना. ये सारे क्वेश्चन, बिलीव मी, वंस दिस सेशन एंड्स, आप ठंडे दिमाग से दोबारा ट्राई करना और हो जाएंगे. नहीं होंगे तो सॉल्यूशन देखना, ठीक है? यस. हाँ, नाइस, वेरी गुड. अब सुनो, देखो, लिसन टू मी, रीड द क्वेश्चन यार एक बार. जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन वंस. क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? इमेज ऑफ अ कैंडल फ्लेम फॉर्म्ड बाय अ लेंस is obtained on a screen placed on the other side of the lens. What did I tell you? When you read the question, your hand should be busy. Your hand should keep doing the rough work. Sir, image of a candle flame. ठीक है. If the image is 3 times the size of the flame, okay, and distance between lens and image is this. अच्छा. Obtained on a screen means, sir, real image. है ना? It's a real image. Which lens can form the real image? It is a convex lens. That is confirmed. ठीक है भाई. This is a convex lens. Fine. And image is 3 times the size of the flame. So magnification is 3 plus 3 minus 3. Magnification is plus 3 minus 3. Yes. Plus 3 minus 3. Minus 3. Correct. -3 है. M. Why minus? Because it is inverted. Clear? है ना? So M आ गया -3. Fine. And the distance between lens and image is 80. Lens and image के बीच में 80 सेंटीमीटर है, right? So V is equal to plus 80 centimeters. Correct? Right? हाँ. Right. V is equal to, हाँ, very good. ROE has got the answer. हाँ, it's okay संजय. हाँ, total. Yeah, I don't know, bacha, what happened. कोई नहीं, let's do it, come on. See, m is -3, v is +80, that's okay, that's fine. Now, let's move forward. What's next? You have to find what distance should the candle be placed. Matlab, you don't know. You have to find the u. So, in length, v upon u is equal to m. So, what can you say? -3 is equal to 80 upon u. U is equal to 80 upon 3 minus में. Okay? So you have got the value of u. What is the nature of the image at a distance of 80? It is real and inverted. लेकिन एक बात बताओ, real inverted बता सकते हो है ना? Correct? Real inverted and magnified. Why? Because it is 3 times. So this is the answer. It's okay, Sonakshi. -26.6. Very good. Enlarged. Nice. Very good. Nice. Object distance you have just got as -26.67 centimeters. All right. है ना? Very good. Question number 28. Last 3 questions, guys. Come on. Yes, very good. For the same angle of incidence of 50 degrees in media A, B and C, the angles of refraction are 20, 30 and 40 degrees respectively. Okay. In which medium will the velocity of light be maximum? It's an easy question, but it's a nice question. I mean, थोड़ा different है. For the same angle of incidence A, B, C, 3 medium है, ठीक है? The angles of refraction are 20, 30 and 40. In which medium will the velocity of light be maximum? किसमें होगी maximum? C. रोशनी, I'm sorry बच्चा, I missed your doubt. Yes. Median angle, हाँ, very good. भूमित, हाँ, nice. देखो, bending ज़्यादा कहाँ पे होता है? Think about it. If light is going from a rarer medium, denser medium, it is bending towards normal. Why? Because its speed is decreasing. More bending will happen if decrease in the speed is more. अगर bending कम है, मतलब speed में decrease भी कम है, right? If the bending is less, means the decrease in the speed is less. So that's why 40 degrees में there'll be maximum velocity, right? Clear? Angle of refraction is measured from the normal at the point of incidence. For the same angle of incidence, angle of refraction of medium C is more than that of A and B, which means light rays bend lesser in medium C. Hence C is optically rarest and then thus velocity of light will maximum in it. Easy ना? चलो. Second last question आ जाओ. Yes, come on. Second last question बच्चों. हो जाएगा. 9 से पहले हो जाएगा. Very good. Greater the optical density, greater the bending. Very good, Bhumit. Nice. Come on. Question 29. A diverging lens of focal length 15 centimeters forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Okay. A diverging lens है, ठीक है, यानी कि concave lens है. Very good, concave lens है. Focal length कितनी है? 15. F is equal to 15 centimeters. Plus 15 minus 15. Yes. Roshni, it's partial reflection. Yes, come on. Focal length plus 15 minus 15 minus 15. क्यों? Because it's a concave lens. Concave lens में क्या होता है? Light ray आती है, diverge हो जाती है, हमको पीछे करना पड़ता है, तो left में होता है ना focal length. F equals minus 15. Forms an image 10 centimeters from the lens. V is equal to 10 centimeters plus or minus? Plus or minus? Yes? Minus. क्यों? Sir, virtual images in lens is on the left. मेंटी जल्दी होगा बेटा, एकदम चिंता नहीं. V is minus 10. How far is the object placed? अरे रे 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals 1 upon F. So 1 upon minus में 10 minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon में minus 15. उसको उधर ले जाओ, उसको उधर ले आओ, है ना? So ये हो जाएगा minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by U. 30, 10, 10 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 upon U. U आ रहा है मेरा, U is equal to minus में 30 centimeters. Hold on, logic check. Sir, मेरा जो object है, that is minus, means it is to the left. That is fine, no? Object is kept to the left only. So U is minus 30 तो सही लग रहा है, right? So U is equal to minus 30. Alright? है ना? एकदम clear, आसान question था, कुछ नहीं था, लेंस फॉर्मूला लगाना था. लास्ट क्वेश्चन भाई, कम ऑन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 पे आ जाओ. और इसके बाद लाइट का हो जाएगा the end, right? Yes. If the image formed by a spherical lens for all position of the object is always erect and diminished, what type of lens is it? कौन सा लेंस है? कॉन्वेक्स और कॉनकेव, कॉन्वेक्स और कॉनकेव लेंस है. इमेज इज ऑलवेज इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड, कॉनकेव लेंस. मिरर की बात नहीं हो रही है, कॉनकेव लेंस है भाई. ड्रॉ लेबल रे डायग्राम टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर. हाउ मेनी डायग्राम विल यू मेक? हाउ मेनी डायग्राम विल यू मेक? 1 or 2? यू आंसर मी दैट फर्स्ट. कितने बनाओगे डायग्राम? एक बनाओगे, 2 बनाओगे? 2. वेरी गुड, है ना, 2 बनेंगे. क्यों? It's a general diagram. No, there is no specific case. You have to show both when the object is at infinity, when the object is at any other position. है ना? Very good. Reference book, Ashok, NCERT first, then exemplar questions. And if you have time left, उसके बाद आपको Together with ले लो, लखबीर सिंह ले लो, है ना? Everybody is good. Oswal is also good. Paper एजुकार्ड के अच्छे होते हैं काफी, तो ठीक है. But NCERT तो पहला है भाई, बहुत important. ठीक है? Fine. Draw these 2 diagrams. Very important. With this, we are done with 30 questions. Now, I hope the chapter of light will not trouble you anymore, because believe me, every question we did today, it was a board level question. अगर तुमको आज दिक्कत नहीं हुई है, मतलब बोर्ड के लिए you are ready from light chapter. So, all the best. We'll do like this for each and every chapter. But if you face problems, आपको क्या करना है? Go through the revision sessions or go through the basic conceptual sessions once more. उसके बाद ये सारे questions को re-attempt and you will not face any problem. I promise you that. Okay? So PYQs, Ashok बच्चा, we did so many PYQs today. आज हो गए लाइट के खत्म PYQs, और नहीं है. ठीक है? So relax, take care, keep learning, stay motivated, and I'll see you next time. Take care and bye bye.